Too big. 8.5. This is 8.5. Okay. Number 2. Okay, this was the right size for this tap. It is still M10, they bought M10, but it's got a different pitch. If that makes sense, yeah. So now this one, so that's what we've done. So we've done the tapping, so we can put a bolt in here. Okay. Yeah? So we'll do the same with the other one that you drilled, which is M6. Did you put a 5mm hole here? 5? Is it a 5? That's 6.
네모주 구멍을 내고 이제 학생들이 저 구멍에 이제 나사 구멍을 만들 수 있는 작업을 가르쳐주고 계십니다.
Yep, perfect.
Yeah, they're doing it a lot better than yesterday already.
Yeah,
they're learning.
It's like a clock. Yeah. This is clockwise. And it's anti-clockwise. Yeah.
그 clockwise,라는 얘기가 그 시계 방향이라는 얘기야.
Be very stable. Be very stable. Don't move too much. Just go like this. Okay, so if you don't move like this, it won't catch on. So it's got to be keep straight and keep going. Don't move up and down. All the practicals they do are all useful. Everything they do, yeah.
그러니까 지금 선생님께서 하신 말씀이 지금 우리가 배우는 실습들이 다 이제 현장에서 사용하게 되는 기술들이라고 지금 말씀을 해주시는 거예요. 어제 얘기해 준 것처럼 이제 권호가 일직선으로 하는지 봐주라는 거예요.
See how he drills? See, have a look how he drills. Just tell him to straighten the drill. Yeah, perfect. That's good.
한 손을 잡고 한 손을 돌려.
Just put pressure and don't move it too much. Okay, just be very stable. Typically, you would do this on metal. On
do this on metal.
Yeah, not on wood, because on wood you don't put these two. But the thing is, when you do it on metal, it's a good chance that because they're doing it, you have to practice it a lot of times on here, and then when you're confident here, then you do it on metal. Because on metal, when you tighten it, this will just break if you're not used to it.
Okay.
So you get used to it on wood, and when you're 100% sure that you got the handle of it, then you can drill a hole in metal and then do tapping in metal, not for wood. Okay, so we'll finish this part for now, and then we'll go inside and we'll do some wiring stuff. You really need to have the basics for basic understanding. Go straight into the practical, because there's a lot of theory that goes in the background of how to join electronic components together, electrical components, to how to wire them together. But because we don't have the time, we'll go straight into the practical. If you have any questions, you can always ask me.